Welcome to my basic math world. Today we will learn what is a fraction. Please tell your friends, like, and subscribe. Keep in touch with your basic math questions. Here are two ways you will see a fraction. A number above and below a fraction bar. A number to the left and to the right of a slash. The number above the fraction bar is called a numerator. The number below the fraction bar is called a denominator. The number to the left of the slash is called the numerator. The number to the right of the slash is called the denominator. The fraction bar and slash represent a division symbol. In other words, they are showing 1 divided by 2. So, what is a fraction? The number above the fraction bar, the numerator, tells how many pieces we have left. The number below the fraction bar, the denominator, tells in how many pieces an item is cut into. Example, we cut an orange, pizza, or banana in 2 pieces, and we have 1 piece left. When working with fractions, you might see any of the following: a proper fraction, improper fraction, or mixed number. A proper fraction represents less than 1. The numerator must be smaller than the denominator. Example, we cut an orange in 2 pieces, and we have 1 piece left. We end up with less than 1 whole orange. An improper fraction is equal or greater than 1. The numerator must be the same or greater than the denominator. When the numerator is the same as the denominator, that fraction equals 1. Instead of showing the answer as a fraction, we use 1 as our answer. When the numerator is bigger than the denominator, it represents more than 1. It means that more than one item have been cut into pieces, so we have more than one whole item left. A mixed number is a whole number with a proper fraction to the right. We can have a 0 as a numerator. We cannot have a 0 as a denominator. Just like we can multiply any number by 0 and get the answer of 0, we can divide 0 by any number and get the answer of 0. But we cannot divide any number by 0. Time to test what you have learned. For the following questions, pause the video, then press play to see the answers. What do we call the number above the fraction bar? What do we call the number below the fraction bar? The number above the fraction bar is the numerator. The number below the fraction bar is the denominator. Good job! What type of fraction do we have here? Does this fraction represent more or less than 1? This fraction is a proper fraction. This fraction represents less than 1. Good job! What type of fraction do we have here? Does this fraction represent less or more than 1? This fraction is an improper fraction. This fraction represents more than 1. Good job! What type of fraction do we have here? This is a mixed number. Good job! What does this fraction tell us? What math operation can we do with this fraction? The item was cut in 4 pieces and we have 3 pieces. We can divide 3 by 4. Good job! Can we have a 0 as a denominator? No, we can only have a 0 as a numerator. Good job. What do these fractions equal? They all equal 1. The numerators are the same as the denominators. We have all the pieces the items were cut into. You did a great job. Thank you for coming. Hope you now know what is a fraction. Please tell your friends, like, and subscribe. Keep in touch with your basic math questions.